Welcome to Flat Pattern Manipulation. Today we're going to turn this basic sloper into a dress with a basic princess seam bodice and a A-line skirt. So first thing you got to do is get in your lines. Now some of you may have this paper here that already has the lines faintly drawn in. If you do not, it's very simple to get the lines in. All we have to do is get a ruler, find our hip line. Well, this is our hip line down here. We need to find the waistline by finding where this comes in and these come out. That is the waistline. Then we're also going to put in the bust line. Oops. All right. Then we're going to extend the darts down and extend the other lines down because we want to make a dress, not just a tunic. So find these 2 points. Go all the way down to here. These 2 points. All the way down here. And extend down. I can tell it's square because I'm making sure one of the lines lines up here. All right, there we go. Now, we're going to do this in 2 parts. One will be the top, the bodice part, and then this part will be the skirt. Okay. So this part right here, the waistline, right here, that line we're gonna cut. Save this. Okay. Don't throw this away. All right, to make the princess seams, we're going to use the French curve to find a spot that goes in between these and then hits that mark right there. There we go. All right, and then here, find a way that naturally leads from one to the other. All right, and when I cut this out, I'm going to cut this follow the line that I created. I'll cut that off and that off. My paper. Do the same thing again. There we go. Throw those away. Now, get back my skirt pieces. This is the back. This right here is the center back. It could be placed on the fold or have a seam right there. And this is the center front. So I don't get them mixed up. Okay. Now these ones, I did not draw this line properly. It needs to go up to here. Okay, I'm gonna cut out these pieces. Okay. Okay, I've got the two skirt pieces. Now cut them from each other. Okay, they should look like this. Okay. Now we're going to do something similar as we did with the bodice. We're going to cut up this line and then cut out the triangle. So this goes out. Okay, this is what it looked like before. Now I'm going to put these two parts together. Bring it together like this so that the two edges meet. You can fold it, but it's such a small piece. It's very difficult to fold. Okay, now I need to fill in this section right here. So I could use this scrap right here if I wanted, or I can use a piece of paper. I only need to cover this section. And then use my French curve to get a nice curve on the bottom. Look at that. That's my cutting line. Piece that I added. Okay. Take this on here. And now I do it again. I could just fold it, but folding is so much more difficult. See, it's folded now. So instead of cutting it out, I can fold it like this, but like I said, more difficult. And we need a little piece. Nope, I made it too small. Just do it. Okay, then use my French curve. To create a line. Oops. French curve. See? It just connects right there. Gonna cut you first. All right, I have my princess seams for the bodice, and I have the A-line for the skirts. I'm gonna tape these down a little better. And for the sleeve, I put the sleeve on the back, but you can pick whatever sleeve design you want or just cut one out. This is the elbow line. This is the elbow line. All right, good luck.